graceful in its steps, slender in its form, and standing tall on its pink, stilt-like legs. This is the black-winged stilt, a beautiful bird with long legs and striking black and white wings that inhabits wetlands, shores, and shallow lakes, with legs that can reach half the length of its body. This bird easily searches for food in shallow waters, feeding on insects, crustaceans, and small worms. The black-winged stilt is not only elegant but also a skilled flyer, capable of migrating great distances every year.